Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and we are dealing with class 7 English today. The book's name is Living English and the name of the chapter is Dr. Gore and the Giggling Ghost. In this short story by Mala Marwa, a doctor tries to outwit a ghost who giggles at him. Read on to find out what happens. So this particular unit is talking about ghosts or invisible spirits. So this chapter is about Dr. Gore and a giggling ghost. There's this doctor called Gore and there is this ghost who keeps on giggling. Now this doctor is trying to outwit the ghost, means उसको बेवकूफ बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं and we just have to see what happens. Every time Dr. Golaknath Gore got up to fetch a glass of water from the drinking fountain just outside his door, he would hear some giggling. He would peep into the storeroom and look queerly at the nurses and even the patients, but he could not find for the life of him make out which of them could produce that peculiar kiki sound like a child giggling uncontrollably. This went on for weeks. Every time Dr. Golaknath Gore got up to fetch a glass from the drinking fountain just outside the door, he would hear someone giggling. ठीक है, जब भी गोलकनाथ गोरे जो डॉक्टर है वो अपनी सीट से उठ के बाहर जाते पानी लेने के लिए, ठीक है, just outside his cabin there was this drinking fountain or a water hut kind of a thing. Every time he used to go out to get a glass of water, he would hear someone giggling. Giggling means laughing uncontrollably. ठीक है, खी करके जैसे छोटे बच्चे जैसे हंसते हैं ना, that is called giggling. He would peep into the storeroom and look queerly at the nurses and even the patients. He would look into the storeroom कि वहां पे कोई है क्या, and he would look queerly. Queerly means very strangely at the nurses. All the nurses he used to see, and even the patients. But he couldn't for the life of him make out which of them could produce that particular kiki sound like a child giggling uncontrollably. But he could never, कितना भी वो try करे, how hard he looked, how early he looked, whatever he did, he could never make out who was laughing like that. And the sound was also a very peculiar kiki sound, which was like a child giggling uncontrollably. एकदम ऐसी तीखी सी छोटी से बच्चे की जैसी आवाज होती थी, जैसे कोई बच्चा हंस रहा है बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से कि वो खुद को रोक भी नहीं पा. And this whole scenario, him going out to get water and this giggling sound coming, this on went on for like weeks. बहुत सारे हफ्ते तक यही जो है वो चलता रहा. Dr. Gore, plump, bald, and by now very bothered, thought he was going bonkers. Dr. Gore is the main lead of the chapter. He was plump. Plump means on a healthier side. आप ये picture के अंदर देख सकते हो that he was not a very lean person. He was a fat person. Bald means who doesn't have hair. टकला जिसको आप कह सकते हो. And by now very bothered. And by now he was also very disturbed and tensed. Thought he was going bonkers. Going bonkers means that he was going mad. He was becoming crazy. And he was like, if I am hearing this weird sounds, it means that I am going mad. He started doing absent-minded things at work. He used to, be absent-minded at work. मतलब he could not focus on what he is doing. वो क्या कर रहे हैं वो उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा focus जो है वो नहीं कर पा रहे थे. For example, these were some things which he did. He put the thermometer in a patient's pocket instead of under his tongue. He had to put the thermometer inside the patient's mouth under his tongue, but instead of putting it there, he put it in the patient's pocket. So that was a very strange thing for a doctor to do. On the other hand, one day he shook hands with a skeleton in his room. There was a skeleton, हड्डी का जो ढांचा होता है ना, कंकाल जिसको कहते हैं, वो that was placed in his room, and instead of and he just went and shake hands with that skeleton because he thought that he was some other doctor from another department. उसको लगा कि कोई दूसरा डॉक्टर यहाँ पे खड़ा है, वो जाके उससे हाथ मिला रहा है. Then of course he yelled loudly in fright, and then obviously he was very much frightened, and he like yelled and he shouted very loudly because of the fear. When something crazy like this happened, he would hear a sniggering kiki. He was certain that it was a noisy ghost having a good laugh at him. And then whenever something, anything crazy like this would happen, like any time of the day, he would hear a sniggering kiki kiki. उसको एक continuous kiki kiki की जो आवाज है वो सुनाई देती थी. And he was very certain by now. He was very sure, एकदम sure हो गए थे Dr. Gore that there is some noisy, means some naughty ghost is there who's having a good laugh at him, means who's making great fun of this doctor, and this is what he's trying to do. One afternoon, Dr. Gore decided to check a file on his patients. One afternoon, Dr. Gore was sitting and he decided that there's some patient whose file he has to examine. Okay, he pulled out a screechy metal ladder. Screechy means जिसको खींचने से बहुत ऐसे तीखी सी आवाज आती है, चीं करके जो आवाज आता है, that is called screechy. मेटल लैडर, एक मेटल की जो सीढ़ी जैसा जो था, लैडर जो था, उन्होंने निकाला एंड क्लाइंब इट टू रीच द टॉप मोस्ट शेल्फ. And he climbed on it to reach the topmost shelf. Okay, because the file was probably kept there of the cupboard where the file was. He climbed on it to reach the topmost shelf, जहाँ पे जो cupboard है वो रखा हुआ था. But he missed a step, and before he knew what was happening, he fell down like a fat bundle of clothes and landed on a swivel chair with a poof. And but he missed a step, as there were a lot of steps on that ladder. लेकिन एक पे वो पाँव रखना जो है वो भूल गए, उनसे रखा नहीं गया. एंड बिफोर ही कुड अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग, ही फेल डाउन लाइक अ फैट बंडल ऑफ क्लोथ्स. ऐसे लगा कपड़ों का एक ढेर जो है वो नीचे आके गिरा है. लैंडेड ऑन अ स्विvel chair with a boost. Swivel chair is a chair, the rocking chair, जिसका बेस जो है वो तो फिक्स रहता है, लेकिन वो चेयर जो है उसकी सीट पूरी घूम सकती है. विद अ पोपले धड़ाम करके वहां पे वो गिर गए. The files rained down like so many flapping, squawking birds all around him, and all the files came down on him. As if that wasn't all, a bottle of indelible ink left open by mistake toppled over and fell all over Dr. Gore's lovely bald head. And as if this was not enough, that ये बहुत नहीं था होने के लिए, कि there was a bottle of indelible ink. Indelible ink means some ink which is very difficult to remove. That was left open by mistake, and that came and fell over Dr. Gore. डॉक्टर गोरे's lovely bald hair, मतलब सुंदर सा जो टकला सर था उनके ऊपर, उसके ऊपर वो इंक आके सारी गिर गई. It was then, as Dr. Gore was spilling round and round with the indelible ink trickling in his ear and sheets of paper and folders floating about him, that he heard it again, kiki kiki. He was just sitting on that chair and he was turning round and round with that ink flowing into his ear, and the sheets of paper were all floating about him, and मतलब पूरा hodgepodge room हो गया था. And that was the moment where he again heard that kiki 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 sound. Dr. Gore, who normally wouldn't hurt a fly, was furious. This person who normally never even hurt a mosquito or a fly, जो कभी मच्छर को भी नहीं मारा था, he was furious today. Furious means very angry. He swirled out of the spinning chair and charged on out into the corridor. He just got up, he swirled out of the spinning chair, से दौड़ के उठे एकदम एकदम ऐसे अचानक से उस चेयर से उठे and charged out. Charged out means walked out to the corridor. Everyone who saw his face got a shock, and one patient who has been cured of fainting fits fainted again. Everyone who saw his face was like shocked. ऐसे हो गया था, ये क्या हो गया आज, मतलब डॉक्टर को इतना गुस्सा कैसे आ गया, इस टाइप का पूरा सीन हो गया था. And there was this one patient जिसको अभी अभी ठीक किया था, क्योंकि उसको वो चक्कर खा खा के बार बार गिर रहा था, बार बार बेहोश हो रहा था. उसको वापस चक्कर आ गया और वो वापस बेहोश हो गया. He was yelling at the top of his voice, and he was shouting at the top of his voice. जितना तेज वो चिल्ला सकते थे उतना तेज वो चिल्ला रहे थे. There's a prank playing Polagris in this hospital, and it's laughing at me. I, Dr. Golu Gore, shall trap it, catch it with my unparalleled powers of supernati poltergeisticis. I shall utterly splash it. And he dragged off into his study next door. So he got very angry and he's shouting that there is prank by poltergeist. Poltergeist is basically a ghost who is known for making very weird sounds and throwing things here and there. And it's laughing at me. He's like that there's this ghost who's laughing at me, but don't worry, I am Dr. Golu Gore, and with my unparalleled powers means the powers which nobody can have, और कि इतना पावर है कि इसका कोई मुकाबला नहीं कर सकता है, of supranti meta poltergeistis. This is some word which he has taken, who God knows what it means. I shall utterly splatch it, कि मैं उसे एकदम पकड़ के finish कर दूंगा. And he dragged off into his study next door, and he just walked very angrily to the study which was next door. The hospital was buzzing. What a poltergeist? Isn't that a kind of ghost? Yes, it is that. The sort that makes things disappear and sort that bothers you with funny sounds. Did you see one in the hospital? So now everybody has started talking when he has said all these things. So everybody is now talking कि अच्छा ऐसा है क्या, तुमने देखा क्या, and all those kind of things. Really? Yes, said an assistant. I heard it once while I was in the study. The assistant is saying that really, yes, I heard it once when I was sitting in the study and I heard it. It's a funny sort of sound. एक बहुत अजीब सी आवाज है, and goes खीकी खीकी खीकी. So this person has also heard it. He's saying that I also could hear it, and it was a खीकी 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 sound of laughing, and it was very fun. A giggling ghost. So everybody's like, a giggling ghost. So they are saying that Dr. Gore has also declared that he's going to splash it with his unparalleled powers of what was that he said that these two assistants are talking कि उन्होंने तो बोल दिया कि वो तो उसको पकड़ के रख लेंगे, और उनका वो unparalleled powers है of वो क्या बोला था उन्होंने, सुप्रांटी मेटा पॉल्टिगेरेटिस्टिस. ठीक है, तो इस टाइप का एक नाम उन्होंने लिया है. बस द लो वॉइसेस ऑफ द वर्रिड स्टाफ वेंट ऑन एंड on. तो जितना भी worried staff था, जो भी staff था, they kept on talking like that only for the whole day and everything. Dr. Gore shot out of his room again. Some of the ink had come off his cuffs, but the great deal of it was still there. कि डॉक्टर गोरे जो है वो अपने स्टडी रूम से एकदम ऐसे दौड़ के गुस्से से बाहर निकले. ज्यादातर जो इंक था वो तो कुछ तो इंक निकल गया था, बट ज्यादा जो इंक था that was still there. Cuffs means the end of the sleeves of a shirt के end के sleeves के end में से थोड़ा कड़ा सा कपड़ा होता है ना, थोड़ा से stiff सा कपड़ा होता है, उसको cuff कहते हैं. ठीक है. He looked like a piece of used blotting paper. वो एक blotting paper के टुकड़े के जैसे लग रहे थे जिसको यूज किया हुआ था. मतलब that paper जो ink और soak करता है, तो कहीं patches थे उसके अंदर ink के, and he was looking like that only. So he had a thing like a hypnotist disc in his hand, a round piece of glass with a thread attached. Okay, so he had a thing which was like a hypnotist disc. You might have seen in pictures and all that there's this thread और नीचे से कांच का ऐसा कुछ लगा हुआ है, जैसे they move like a pendulum in front of somebody's face and they're like तुमको नींद आ रही है, hypnotize जो करते हैं वैसा सा उन्होंने कुछ पकड़ा हुआ था. He announced, with this modern device I shall devastate the little devil. और वो दिखा के, और he announced there कि with this modern device I have this new modern device which is very powerful, and using this device I shall destroy that the little devil, devastate, destroy that little devil, confuse him utterly, उसको एकदम confuse करके छोड़ दूंगा, immobilize him, stop him from moving also, उसको एकदम एक जगह पे रोक के रख दूंगा. After which he proceeded to become quite confused himself because he went on to say educate him. और ये बोलते बोलते उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया जिसमें वो खुद ही कंफ्यूज हो गए. वो 2 सेकंड के लिए रुके, और क्यों रुके, क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसे बोल दिया था educate him, and after saying that he was himself confused. और oh yes, that's exactly what I said, and then he's like कि हाँ वही मैंने बोला, I'll educate that little devil. And he walked absent-mindedly back to his room. Once inside, he realized that he had come back, so he decided to go out to the corridor again. Okay, once he was inside, and then he realized that he has come back into the room. Then again, he is thinking that he has to go outside of his room again. So he decided that he'll go into the corridor again. But for some queer reason, he neglected the use a door that was open for this purpose. And because of some strange reasons, he did not use the door that was open for this purpose only. एक door था जिससे रोज आना जाना ऐसे करते थे, वो पता नहीं क्यों कुछ अजीब सी रीजन की वजह से उन्होंने वो वाला डोर पे यूज किया नहीं. He turned instead to a door on the other side and proceeded to open it. But instead of going there, he turned to another door on the other side of the room and he started opening it. Now, what has happened now when he tried to open this, we are going to see that in the next class. I hope the chapter was clear to all of you till now. You might have learned a lot of new words, a swivel chair, indelible, queer. ठीक है, तो ये devastate, ये सारे जो नए words आपने सीखे हैं, please keep them in your mind and try to remember the meaning also of these words and try to use them in your language also. I hope the chapter was clear to all. Thank you so much.